So what if I tell you that in 2 minutes you can be able to create good eye-catching YouTube thumbnails for your videos like this, like this, like this, like this, in just 2 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on the kind of network you're actually using. And all these things you can do it using an AI application. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can create good eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. So if you are a type that is actually struggling to create good YouTube thumbnail for your videos, I think watching this video to the end is very, very important for you because I'm going to show you a simple free software that you can use to create these eye-catching thumbnails for free without you struggling looking for colors, design, or text that will actually match what you actually want. Because I know most people, their challenges is good YouTube thumbnails. So in this video, you will learn everything that you need to understand. So join me on my screen where I'm going to show you this free AI software that you can use to create all your YouTube videos thumbnails. So if today's your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel, join my community, like my video, and comment. Tell me where you're watching me from. And if you have any challenges, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to go all over my comments to make sure I check them. So for the prompts that we will use in generating our YouTube videos thumbnails, I've provided all those prompts in the description of this video. So you can go and check them and use them to recreate your YouTube videos thumbnails. Okay. So for the website that we are about to use is called Google FX. Okay, so we are going to go over to our Chrome browser. So once you type Google FX, it's going to show you all these options. First time using it, they will tell you that Google FX image generator is not available in your country. Don't worry, just go to Google Play Store and download the application. So for this video, I've already downloaded my own, which I'm going to go over to my FX and show you guys. Okay, so this is it that I just circled. So I'm going to click on this very one, so it's going to load into the dashboard. So let's wait and let's see how it's going to load. So this is actually the dashboard of the Google FX image generator. Okay, so for now, if you check down here, you can see some settings here. Okay, so pay attention. So if you check down here, you see settings, you see edit history, and you see input. The input is where you paste the prompts, okay? So we are going to do some little settings in this video. So we go to the settings. Here, I want you to pay attention on what I'm about to show you here. We have this log, this part log here, and we have best quality, and we have lamp scale. So it depends on the kind of image that you want to generate, okay? So I will explain each one of these things for you. So on the log here, this log means that you want to generate consistent image, okay? The photo style that you want to use, that is the one that you'll be generating for you. The same person, the same with different style of quality. Okay, so here we have the quality, which is the best quality, is powered by image 3. So here we have the lamp scale. You can use the square, portrait, lamp scale, mobile portrait, and mobile lamp scale. Okay, so in this video we are using the lamp scale, which is the 16:9 ratio of a YouTube thumbnail. So here you can input, click on input, and then you place their prompts. So in this video, I'm going to go over to my notepad to copy my prompts. Okay, so I will make sure the prompts is in the description of this video so that you can actually use it and try it on by yourself. Okay, so I will click here and then let it load. So these are all the prompts that I have written. I'm going to bring it down for you guys to actually check them out. Okay, so first I'm going to copy this first one. Okay, let me copy this first one. So I've copied this first one and then go back to the app, and then here I'll click on this space and then paste it and then click on generate. So now let's wait and see the kind of image that this thing is going to generate for us. Okay, so the best thing about this app is that it's going to highlight all those things that is needed for you. So if you check, you see he generate up to 4 images for us to go through. You'll just take a look, you can scroll it like this and check. See, You see, best image, as in you don't need to enhance all these kind of images. They are all enhanced, and that is the reason I love this AI image generator, because it's very powerful. So here we are going to test another one again. So let me remove this one and then go back again and get our prompts. Okay, so here I'm going to get these prompts again. Let me copy this very one. Let me copy this one and go back again and paste this one. So I'll paste it and click generate. I'm sorry. So let's wait and see. So it's going to generate a very fantastic, clear image for our YouTube. So you don't need to be struggling on how you can create your YouTube thumbnails, because I know many people struggle to create their YouTube thumbnail. But if you know the kind of prompts that you can write that will actually generate any kind of thing, just bring it here in this AI. It will generate that image exactly what you just give. In creating this kind of thumbnail, it's going to take you a very good time for you, even 2 hours. You have not yet created this kind of thumbnail. So let's go and check again. See, so all the thumbnails are very nice, good quality. They are very nice. Just take a look. So now we are going to test another one. Okay. So let me go and copy another prompt. All these prompts are being provided in the description of this video, so you can actually check them out. So let me copy this very one. Let me copy this very one and paste it here again. Let me paste it here and let's see what it's going to generate for us. Sorry. So let's wait and see. So you see, exactly the prompts that are actually sent to him. That is what he generates, and he highlights all the key points. If you want to change anything here, you can actually click and then begin to change them. So let's check those images that he just generated for us. Just take a look. Very nice and beautiful looking images. Very high quality 4K images, I'll be 8K image. So just take a look. We'll also try another prompts. Okay, with this AI image, you can use it to create your talking avatar without you enhancing those images for your talking avatar videos. Okay, so now I'm going to, okay, so what I will do now, I will remove these very prompts and then go and get another prompts. Okay, so pay attention, oh, guys. In a blurry background, let's try this one and see if it's going to generate. Okay, okay, now let's try this very one. I have not tried this one, so let's try this very one, holding a logo. Okay, so let's try this very one before I will try the second one. I will provide all those prompts for you guys. Okay, so you don't need to worry. All those prompts will be provided in the description of this video, so you just go there and test them. Okay, so let me click and see what is going to generate for us. You see, you see, so we just take a look on this. Okay, just check them. I want to, let me go back. 0 views to 1 million views. Imagine you creating this kind of thumbnail. It will take you some time for you to be able to create this kind of thumbnail, and the image are very good. So let me remove this very one again and go and test another prompt. Okay, so we will test all the prompts for you guys. So let me try this very one, if this one will generate. So sometimes it depends on your prompts. If your prompt is not correct, it's not going to generate for you. Okay, so let me remove this one and then click send. Okay, it has sent already. Let's wait and see what it will generate for us. Okay, this one did not generate it. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So if your prompt is not correct, it's not going to generate for you. So let me generate this last one, which is this very one. Let's see what is going to generate for us on this very one. So make sure you use prompts that are correct. If your prompt is not correct, okay, I don't think that is it. I did not copy it, so let me go back and paste it. Let me paste it now and then click generate. It says generate a cozy and innovative AI image of featuring a barristic. Okay, so it's actually loading. So let's see. See, holding a WhatsApp logo. For you to create this kind of image is very hard. Okay, but this AI is going to do this for you. Just take a look and see how beautiful these images are. You see. So I think this is where we are going to end this this video. If you love this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and touch the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. So I do a whole lot of videos. You can go to my YouTube channel and begin to check some videos that you may be interested. So thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.